Okay guys, so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you how to post in Facebook groups, and also going to give you some tips on how to stay out of Facebook jail. The first tip I want to give you is join as many, if you have a home-based business, you want to join as many work from home groups, advertise your business, make money online groups, work from home moms, work from home dads, groups that you can possibly join. But the secret to this is, and it's very important you pay very close attention to this, never ever join more than 10 Facebook groups per day. Otherwise, that will most certainly land you in Facebook jail. The other thing is, as you can see on my phone, do it on your phone because it's much easier. And when you get into the groups part of the Facebook account, you click on your groups like you see right up at the top. And once you get into a bunch of groups, it can be really hard to keep track of what you've done. So I'm going to show you how to get away with that. All you do is you can click on the three little dots at the bottom when it says your groups, and you just simply click on your groups A to Z. So it automatically puts them all in alphabetical order for you, and there you go. It's easy peasy. Okay, so now that you've got your groups alphabetized, you're just going to select the group and you're going to click on a photo, and I'm personally going to choose several photos, and then you click the next button, and I have a pre-written message already sent. You will want to do the same thing no matter what your business is. Don't ever put the link to your website on a Facebook post. You want interaction with them. But they also have a thing that is called post jacking, and that is when somebody leaves a comment under your post with their opportunity. This kind of thing agitates the monkey shit out of me. So this is how I prevent that. It also prevents what I'm about to show you as soon as this loads up. What I'm about to show you is how to prevent answering questions of silly people who can't read what you wrote, that gives them specific instructions to either call, text this phone number, or send an email address. So there's three dots right here. You click on those and you simply hit turn off commenting. Okay, you're finished. And you go to the next group. Okay, sometimes it'll do that, so that's just, you do that and hit post again. You're not posting in this group. It won't post in that group, so you're just going to repeat the process. Hit the next button, add your message, click post, and you're going to see it's posting. There's your little round circle there. It's doing its thing. And as soon as it finishes, you just repeat the same process, and you put on there turn off comments. Easy peasy stuff, guys. Now I'm trying to get to a group that won't let you put in photos. Sometimes it will say discussion, and so you will have to click on discussion, and then it will let you add a photo. But sometimes you'll notice that some of these groups, if it does have a photo thing and put it, it'll ask you, what are you selling, how much are you selling it for, blah blah blah. So you're gonna want to avoid any of that altogether, and that's how you do it. You click on the discussion part of it, and that will it will bring you to, and then sometimes you're going to get this, your post has been submitted, so you have to wait for it to be approved before you can actually click on the turn off the commenting part of it. So at any rate, I hope that helps you guys out tremendously, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Peace, love, and chicken grease, y'all.